Welcome. So today I will teach about the basics of Java programming. So do you know what is syntax? Firstly, we will now as I am teaching about the class 8 Java programming, so it is not much to know. Just to know this syntax. So do you know what is syntax? Syntax is what to say? It's a grammar. It's a pattern of writing something any language. See, it's Java, so writing style is this. So uh, suppose in Bengali we need to write ko kha ko this type, and Hindi writing style is different, grammar is different. Here grammar is also different. Syntax means these only. This means syntax means there is grammar. This is the grammar. This is the pattern, means pattern of this language on how to write this and all. So to avoid this one, because I need to do some assignments. So for this I have written this. Otherwise I sometimes forgot while doing self study. So avoid it. So this the box one is written import java.lang dot asterisk semicolon. This total box is called this total box is called package. This is the Java package. Uh, this package is only used for normal purposes. Means for class 8 level, lang package will be used only. Till now, you use this package only. From class 9, we will focus on various types of packages and how they are used, how they are applied. We will uh, practice on it. So this is only needed because lang means for simple calculations, simple things. So I will tell you the functions after this. So at least at this level you should have basics of programming. Otherwise it will be very tough for us to know the programming, because if you know from this time, then it becomes very easy. It becomes very easy. So if you learn programming from this age, from class 8, then you have great scope to learn many languages if you make these basics very clear. Understood? So this is the package, semicolon, this is a semicolon. Here in Java, semicolon represents end of statement, semicolon which represent end of statement. This semicolon represents end of statement, but this does not, because there is a scope, there is a what to say, it is encapsulated. I will tell you after this. After means I will tell you this in class 9. That what is encapsulation, what is data abstraction. There are many things you have to learn, but at least know this is the pattern you have to do. This is the language. This is the grammar you have to do, and you will easily solve it. So this is the class ABC. You can write any random classes, cat, dog, anything, Sam. But I will tell you some things which from those cases I think you could not write. I will tell you everything slowly. So these are the keyword. Class is a keyword. Okay. Public is a keyword in programming. In this Java program, static is a keyword. Void is a keyword. Main is a keyword, and it's a main function. I will tell you after this what is function. Function is function is very easy. Do you know what is capsule? Capsule contains many uh, what to say, chemical powders mixed on it, that is encapsulated. by some glass type or plastic type, by which the capsule total capsule is made. You see, if you had any capsule, then you can understand that um, within a plastic there are many things, yellow chemical powder, and those are there. That means within a glass these materials are encapsulated, these are contained in this glass, these things are contained. This is the container. The man means this is the limit. This is the open bracket, the closed bracket. This is the method, main method, where you can't return any value. You just have, I mean, we need to just print here after doing calculations here only. This is it. Nothing to worry about. This thing is there. I want to say that basics will be coming, basic questions, but not much tough. Just have to think little much. So this is the syntax. So I'm rubbing it off. So, so there in mathematics, there are four types of operators. There are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the four methods by which we operate in maths, and the operators are, in addition there is plus, subtraction is minus, multiplication is into, and divide is divide same. Means I'm telling you the sign for addition in Java also, in mathematics also. Addition is plus, subtraction is minus, means it's minus, this is plus, this is multiplication. Multiplication is multiplication in Java programming is different. The symbol is quite different, quite. In this programming, the asterisk sign means this sign, star one is used. In simple mathematics, cross is used in case of multiplication. In division, in case of programming, in this Java programming, we, in case of multiplication, we use asterisks. Okay, asterisks. After I'm writing the spelling, as asterisks, asterisk, acha, asterisk, asterisk. So asterisks, and in case of division, in this programming, same thing only, just thing will be changed, this sign slash, and there is remaining. This is related to division only, that is finding out remainder. You have to use modulus sign. Modulus sign is a modulus sign for finding out the remainder after division. These are the simple operators, and for doing any mathematical calculation in Java programming. So these five things are needed till now. So I'm rubbing it off. It's quite easy. You can understand because you can correlate with mathematics also, and with basic sense. And if you study properly, then you will know this very easily. That is a person sign. You can remember it by person sign. So there's no problem. In in this case, modulus is told. So don't don't means don't make confusion on it. Just tell modulus. But in case of doing any percentage sum, then you should tell that this is a percentage sign. Okay. You know, running it off. Uh, uh, so next one, we will do a quest. You know how to print. Firstly, we will start with simple things. On I'm giving a question. It's very easy. Uh, the question is write a Java program to print your name and in school you are studying. So write a Java program. Write a Java program. So problem with the camera. So uh, there was a problem. So we have to write a Java program to print your name and in school you are studying. So I am writing this program for you. It will be very easy for you to understand. See, look into it properly. Firstly, we will write the package. You know what I've told. Just use single package for this standard only. After the after passing class 8, when you get promoted to class 9, then I will teach you various packages used in programming for various purposes. Some of them will not be used in class 9 because those are used in industrial purpose and in college also. Uh, if you are interested in computer science, then you will surely get to learn in college, and also now it will be found in class 12 because in every school and every council is including in syllabus about this program. So class in class you have to write the topic about which you are doing the work, some about the name and school you are studying. So for printing your name and in school you are studying, uh, you have to give your reasonable class name. Reasonable. For I am telling to those who are means want to be in software line. So for them, they need to know this variables and his class name needs to be reasonable for this level, as you are in beginner. So firstly, it will give a random class name C A B C A B C. See the parenthesis is open, and then here I will write those keywords: public, static, void, main, and you can write this one also. I haven't added in the first phase of this video. This string arms is also needed. Please write it down. This is the thing. Then print your name. And for printing your name in Java, first you have to write system. See system. After that dot. Then after that out. After that dot. After that print ln double quotes open, double quotes open, print your name. Suppose my name is Tishungu. So here I will write my name here, this in this line. This will go home. The same thing I will write here, system.out.println. Uh, Same thing I will write here. Assembly of Angels Secondary School. I have studied from the school, but in question you are studying. So I'm not studying in school. I'm studying in a polytechnic college, doing diploma engineering in computer science and technology. So as I will promote accordingly, so accordingly I will study. I will teach you about computer science diploma and BTech very slowly, and about class 11, 12 programming, class 8, 9, 10. Slowly I will start because recently I will open my channel. Please support me, and I will say similar. In my school name, I have opened a double quotes. I have closed here only. Similarly, in my name also, I have started double quotes here and closed here. Ended the statement with semicolon. Why I haven't given here this semicolon? Because the main is a function. What is function? Function is a, what to say? Function is something inside it. There some work is done. Specific work is done, and its output is not returned. It should be printed with this statement. Up to this I could tell, because after that you will think that programming is very bad. No. So I will tell you, if you get class 9 book, then surely you will understand that the programming is easy. The meaning of all keywords will be there. You will understand, and you will think that sir, you have told right that at that time. At that time you have told right. So I have closing the curly brackets. This is closed. This for all main function is closed. Again, this is closed means class is closed. Means program is complete. Program is complete. I will show you the output. What will be the output? The output will be, I'm rubbing it up. Output will be very simple. Output is very simple. It's very simple looking one. That is, on the left margin, my name will be displayed. Okay. After that line, why? Because I have given system.out.println. The function of system.out.println is, uh, I will print that statement. I am telling the system to print out that statement in this line. After that, the cursor will come down to the next line. That is why it is written print ln, means print in a line, and then and automatically the cursor will come to the next line. So you can understand there is a difference. I will tell you very slowly. After this statement, after my name, my school's name will be displayed. Will be displayed. Similarly, you can easily write these programs. These are very easy. Now I will tell you. I will now go to a much tougher, much, not much. Uh, I'm giving you a program. Through the program, I will let you understand how to do the initialization and declaration. Initialization is very easy. Firstly, if you take input, suppose you are doing any kind of mathematical equation, so you have to take two variables, so suppose a program, we are writing a program to multiply two numbers like I have instructed you to do, number 2 and 13. Not like that, you will simply, there are two methods to do this program. One is simply doing the sum directly. Second one is just initializing the variable and keeping means initializing the third variable for doing the product of 2 into 30. There are two methods. Okay, first I am writing the same thing, import java dot lang dot start semicolon class. I have written as we are doing multiply, so multiply, ah, public static void main. The stringers will be used later, that's why I don't want to write this, but till this level there is no need of this statement. Okay, I am taking directly system.out.println. I will show you two outputs. There will be difference. There will be output will be similar, but the working in this backend programming of any app, that is called backend. Front end is the display of the app. There's front end that is designed by using HTML, CSS and all. And the backend is always used by Java, Python, C++ and all. Many languages are there. And this is 2 into 30. You will keep the plus far away from it. Then you write any kind of statement, right? Is the product. This is how you write, means keeping the number in front, and then plus means to connect two parts is the numerical part and it's a string part, means word part, sentence part, by adding the plus operator, and then by placing few gap, then again I will open the double quotes and close there after writing this statement. Okay, this is the thing. There is another method I will show you. Integer. Do you know what is integer? Integer, it's a normal number. It could be negative, it could be positive, but this integer is a data type that is defined by system developers who also made Java. So it is a data type. So know it till now, till this, and integer is something by which we can do any kind of arithmetical logical things that you can do in this programming, through this programming language. So suppose I am taking a variable. This is a variable. See, this is a variable. This is a program still for other making you understand very easily. So I am writing these things, and this is a data type. Integer is a data type. A is variable, and suppose this is the value of A. A is equal to 2. This is value. Variable context value. You know this very easy. You have used this a lot in mathematics. You have used this a lot in mathematics. Variable contains value. Means this is a is equal to 2 under integer. Okay. Similarly, I am declaring int b. You can name any variable random one. Suppose I am giving a b. You can give a many w x. You can give random, but when you get promoted to class 9 10, you have to start means keep reasonable things like reasonable variable, reasonable class name in the program. Now, as you are a beginner, you could not means, do it properly this program, so I'm not giving pressure on it. You just give a random names. I'm not pressurizing you, so I'm giving b's value as 13 semicolon. Same output will become, you see, and I'm in the same line. I'm giving c. C is equal to how to do product of two integers a asterisk b. Done. It's done. Okay. So system dot out dot println. Here in place of 2 into 13 we are doing the same thing but using the third variable of integer data type. Here we are just writing and doing the thing, but we are placing the variable. But I think this is the easier one because it could be risky and sometimes it does not execute. I don't know why, but in Doge it happens sometimes, not all times. But this is the easiest method. You will be in a very safe track because with this class and there will be problem if you practice programming in your laptop, computer, and all. So in case of this, I will place C and after making gap of 1 and plus is the product, then public is closed and class is closed. So this is the program. It's a easy program. This after at the last part of the class I will teach you the what to say if else condition. That is very important. These are the basic calculations and you will understand very easily. You will means if you understand these things, you will always comment me that teach me much more advanced things because you love it all. Because if you all study the basic things, like you will think that when I will go to advanced level, this happens. But you know, for those who can't, those who learn do not be able to learn very fast. For them, we need to. I need to go very slow so that everyone could learn properly and even understand. I need to cooperate with everyone. Most of the students are average, but some of them are toppers. So I always follow majority odds. Okay. So this is the code. Is the code or program. I am showing you the output. And there are two PLN. SOPLN means system.out.println. Println means after printing that statement, cursor will automatically come to the next line. So output will be here. I am showing the output. 13 into 2 is 26 is the product. I am not given full stop. Very sorry. Very sorry. Very sorry. same thing will be printed here. 26 is the product. Means what I have told, we can print this product by two ways. I have shown here the output comes very similar, very much same, just the process there it's quite different. So you can understand the multiplication. So I am giving a question on related to both addition and subtraction. I am giving the same question to add two numbers to 13 and subtract 2 from 13. To add two numbers 2 and 13 and subtract 2 from 13. Subtract 2 from 13. From 13 we have to subtract 2. Understood? We have to add here two numbers 2 and 13. Same. I'm not writing those things here. Uh, Still I'm writing as you are all beginner. Now after that you will tell us, sir, you have not written in the board, so accordingly I have copied. So I'm writing again. Class for this I'm writing add and subtract. Add underscore subtract parenthesis open public static void main. So firstly we will take two integer values. One is 2 comma b is 30. In this here both declaration and initialization is happening. Here initialization means value is initialized here, and also declaration of this a in this parenthesis. Now declared a variable with this data type directly and also initialize it. Both variables, see, you can write both variables in a single line like this, to just put comma after writing the value of a and then b. Just after that you will place semicolon. Now there is add, you told here, it is told that to add and subtract you have to do both, but if it's written you have to do addition with these two numbers, subtract with these two numbers. So I am taking two variables, int add, so I am adding two values, add a plus b. Done. Done. Int subtract, sub, I am writing sub, b minus a. I'm writing b first because b is larger value than a. A contains 2, so it's smaller than d is equal to 30. So you can understand. So you can understand that how much is it's easy. In case of plus, I'm writing this. See, I'm writing in such a manner. You think that there are so many ways. See, if question demands to add two numbers to 2 and 30, you can directly write like this. I'm showing 2 plus 30. Then after placing one gap plus, again giving gap, just putting comma again here, add, done. Here result will be same. After placing one gap, a plus should be given, otherwise they will like will show error. They will show like third 2 plus 13. There will be concatenation, means there will be there 2 1 3 will be the output with comma and as well as add. It will be very bad, very bad. The addition result will be 15. Why will I get 213 by just showing the silly mistake? This is two of the ways. One is directly putting the value. Secondly is taking in the variable. Take the variable and add the two variables. Understood? So again, same one. System dot out dot print ln. Same, just same. 13 minus 2. Further that, I will just put a comma here. One space will be there, then plus will be given. After that, double quotes open, comma, double quotes close, again plus open. Then I will write sub. I think you can analyze that what the output will be coming. This is the code, the most easiest code I think. The output will be, I am showing this output here. Okay, output output will be, output here will be 2 plus 3 15, comma 15. Println as it is given, println the cursor from there comes here automatically as it's given println. If I give print, then the cursor will remain in the same line only. Println is given means the means telling the system to print this line again and again, give enter and print another line if the statement remains or not. And 13 minus 2, it's 11. So 11 comma 11. So one gap then plus, because they will concatenate, there will be some errors. So I'm telling to give the plus sign further from the numbers here, further much, not much further, otherwise these parts are clear. And you can give this variable close to this plus uh, while writing a, yeah, sorry, that will be not much problematic. So okay, this will be the output. See, 2 plus 3 15, 2 plus 13 15 is given, then placed comma, then add is given, then add, here add is 2 plus 13 is also 15, 15 is given, and subtract, b is given, b is 13 minus 2 is 11, 11 is already put here only, then comma again. This is the thing. Understood? It's quite easy. Then after this program, I will give you a program on division and remainder. I'm giving only one program, so that doesn't mean you will not practice. Okay, you should practice, otherwise you will only fail. I'm explaining very slowly. I know it's syllabus is huge, programming thing is very big for you all. So next program is depending on division. Division program, divide 6 by 2, 6 by 2, and again I have given, and find remainder after dividing 21 by 2. Understood? So yes, I will really say. Firstly, there will be package input java.lang dot style class divide remainder because the operation is depending upon these things only. So again, public static static void main, then again bracket open, divide 6 by 2, have initializing int a is equal to 6, b is equal to 2. In this level they will not tell you to do anything directly, means I have shown na 2 plus 13, then place a single gap and then giving plus and under double quotation and giving comma. These things means they will not tell you to do these things. They will just tell this kind of question. Divide 6 by 2 means you have to do it with variables. By using variables, this becomes much safe. You will get marks. You will not lose marks. With that method, you could lose marks because this is a basic stage. So use variables. Use variables. So if a b d is equal to a slash b is okay, then again printing the value. Division result or what to say quotient is this one d. This is the thing. I have taken a and b as input or just declared and then divided a by b. 6 divided by 2 means 3. It will come 3, the output of this section, and dividing it. So I will write here division result double quotes 3. This is the result. And find remainder after dividing 21 by 2. Wait. Remainder after dividing 21 by 2. C is equal to 21. D T1 is equal to. You have to declare different variables, not the same variables. You can't declare same variables twice, thrice times. Okay. D1 you initialize to D3 you should in D3 means you will only take out only the remainder. To take out remainder we need to take the modular sign. Modular sign means C is equal to 21. So C modulus D1, that means its working will be, like this. So 21 E divided by 2, it will result 10.5. That means one remainder. So there will be one remainder. So I am writing just this here and so VLN is the short form of system of the printer. You don't apply this short form in cells, you definitely fail. You will definitely fail if you give these short forms SOPLN. I will kill you then. Remainder. Remainder will be R3. R3 will be the remainder. So we are finding the quotient as well as the remainder. So we have done 5 operational operators. So I have done all things. Here main bracket will be closed. Your class bracket will be closed. Output will be here. Division result will be 3, and this will be executed. But as I given short form, it will be executed. But as I need to write a lot and time is short, I have to go for dinner. So you can listen. Remainder remainder is R3. Remainder will be 1 as I've shown here. Remainder will be 1. Remainder will be 1 as I have shown here. So this is the output screen. The things will be coming like this. This has gone much cut. Very sorry for that. But for the writing, it's not last. Uh, I have, I will teach you today a very conceptual thing, that is if-else condition. In the next class, I will discuss and will practice programs related to if-else conditions. Okay, if-else condition in our life, we always have if-else. Always means if you want to decide on what you will do next. Suppose you are fallen in a drain. So what you will do? Firstly, where you will go? How will you go? How will you tell them? You should take decisions. In a cricket match when you play, you should take decisions on how to play in the next ball, how the bowler is bowling to you. These things, thinking on the situation, that how I should defend in this situation. What should I do? If I do this, I will get to this result. If I do this, I will get to this result. Is there? You're just thinking on, just making decision making. This is a decision making case. Decision making case. If you apply this, you will get this. If you apply this, suppose if you study, you get good marks. If you don't study, you get bad marks. This is decision making. This is the condition. If you don't study, you will not get marks. If you study, you will get marks. Okay. So if this condition, I is showing you the syntax. Syntax I'm showing only the main part. After after the line public static void, I'm showing that condition if A is greater than B, so BLN A plus greater than B plus B. Suppose I have taken example with A and B. A is sorry. This is SOPLN. See, these are the condition. If A is less than B, then B is greater than A. And if it's not, then automatically the cursor will come to here and execute this statement. See, if you take any decision, suppose there strikers happen in any area, but at that day you have exams. So how will you go to that exam all, you should think that how should I go on this condition. That if I apply this idea, I will get this one. If I fail in this idea, I will get the result like this. Uh, the way I will go to college will be tough. All is decision making. All means decision making means if else. If else will be going in your mind that if I fail here, I have to do this thing. Happens. This is decision making. Decision making condition. That is if else condition. Okay, class. Good night. This is the easiest thing. I will uh, next day I will give programs and we will practice.